In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoho Mail not receiving emails. If you're facing issues with Zoho Mail not delivering emails to your inbox, no worries. Together, we'll walk through each step to troubleshoot and resolve this common issue. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Mail account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail login page. Enter your credentials and access your account dashboard. Once you're in, we'll start with the most straightforward checks. Begin by heading over to your spam folder. Sometimes emails can mistakenly end up there due to the server's overzealous filtering. Go through the list and see if the email you're expecting is there. If so, simply move it back to your inbox. If the email is not in your spam folder, don't worry. Let's dive into the Zoho Mail settings. Locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Once you're in settings, a critical area to examine is filters. Click on filters and take a moment to review any filters you might have set up. Filters are rules to automatically organize incoming email. However, they could be misconfigured or too strict, rerouting essential messages away from your inbox. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure your emails are being delivered properly. Our next stop will be the anti-spam settings. So, from your settings menu, select anti-spam. This area is crucial because it allows you to specify which emails are considered safe and which should be treated as suspicious. In anti-spam, you will find the allowed list. This list contains email addresses and domains that are explicitly marked safe. Ensure that important contacts or domains are added here. Keep in mind that emails on the allowed list are delivered to your inbox only if they pass authentication checks. So this isn't a guaranteed bypass for all spam checks, but it will certainly help. Additionally, review the blocked list. Like its name suggests, this is where you add emails you want to be automatically sent to the spam folder. Carefully check this list to make sure no trusted emails or domains are mistakenly added. These steps should help solve the problem when Zoho Mail isn't delivering messages to your inbox. By ensuring that filters, the spam list, and allowed contacts are properly configured, you can keep your email experience smooth and efficient. Play around with these settings if needed to best suit your emailing needs. If you're still encountering issues after these adjustments, it might be beneficial to contact Zoho support for further troubleshooting, but hopefully things are now running smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made your email management a bit easier.